Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling NFC and the payment feature. This lets the phone behave like a card. Once done, open your wallet, add the physical card details, and complete bank verification via OTP or your bank app. Make sure the wallet app is the default payment app so terminals pick it up automatically. After verification finishes, lock your phone and test with a small purchase to confirm the card is active and the secure element is ready. You approach the terminal and wake your phone. Many systems require an unlocked device to complete the handoff. Then, hold the back of the phone over the contactless pad for 1 to 3 seconds, steady and close, not hovering from far away. If the terminal asks, authenticate with your fingerprint, face, or device PIN. Higher value transactions often require this extra step. Once the terminal shows approval or your phone vibrates, remove the phone and wait. You finish by verifying the terminal accepted payment and saving the receipt or screenshot of the confirmation. Once complete, lock the phone and watch your bank notification for the transaction alert to ensure correct authorization. If the payment fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then retry. If that does not work, try authenticating the wallet app or switch to a different card or terminal. A single troubleshooting tip: restart the phone if toggling NFC doesn't clear the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.